And turning now to Storm Watch 12, meteorologist Mackenzie Lake this morning. In terms of visibility, that's been an issue we've continued to see on the coast. Are we still seeing that this morning, and are we seeing any other concerns for any part of our region?
Yes, we do have some visibility concerns, especially for Gold Beach along the coast. But for the rest of our region, we're looking really nice. We're seeing great visibility everywhere else, and we're seeing these slightly warmer temperatures than normal. For the east side, we're still staying nice and cool. We're at 36 degrees for here in Klamath Falls, but we do have that visibility that is at 10 statute miles. So we can see all across our region. Temperatures hovering right about freezing for our east side areas, but then we're actually a little bit warmer than normal for our west side areas. So overall, today is looking like a nice day, and we will continue to heat up. By 8 a.m. we'll be up to 46 degrees in the Klamath Basin, and then by noon all the way up to 72 degrees. Then we have a little bit of cloud cover coming through our region. We'll be seeing some mostly sunny skies for most of our inland areas. We'll be all the way up to 81 degrees by 4 p.m. So maybe not as hot as we saw as yesterday, but overall our region is still going to be well above average temperature-wise. We'll be up to 79 degrees in Lakeview, 67 degrees in Crater Lake, and 88 degrees in Wairika. Again, a little bit more cloud cover than we've seen the last few days, but we should be still seeing some mostly sunny skies for our inland areas. Along the coast and Brookings, we're seeing those more average temperatures. We'll get up to 64 degrees, but we should be seeing some of that marine cloud and fog layer burn off towards the end of the day, but we should be still seeing some partly cloudy skies. For the night tonight, we're seeing these pretty normal temperatures, down to 42 degrees in Lakeview, down to 38 degrees in Klamath Falls, and then for our west side valleys and along the I-5 corridor, we're staying a little bit warmer. We'll be down to 48 degrees in Wairika and 52 here in Medford. We should be seeing some mostly clear skies, especially for our inland areas, but then of course we do expect to see a little bit of fog, especially in Curry County and along the coast in Brookings, with those temperatures getting down to 52 degrees. But for tomorrow, again, we're expecting to see those still warmer and bright temperatures, and we're expecting to see those nice and dry conditions as well. We'll be all the way up to 87 degrees, and again with plenty of sunshine. So I would recommend going ahead and getting a large iced coffee, because it's the middle of the week tomorrow, and I feel like everybody deserves a little bit of coffee in their life. For your car washing forecast for the Rogue Valley for the next couple of days, we are going to be staying nice and warm again, nice and dry. It's pretty much a nice and seasonal pattern throughout the rest of this week. We're not going to be seeing much of a change, but again, we'll get all the way up to 90 degrees on Thursday. So we'll take a look at our temperature trend. We can see that the average for today is 77 degrees. So we are about 10 degrees, if not warmer, than above average for the rest of our week. We can see temperatures peaking all the way up to 90 degrees on Thursday. And then we do have a slight little temperature decrease as next week continues. But again, we're seeing those well above average temperatures for the whole week this week. For your 7-day forecast for the coast, again, these temperatures not too far above average, but we're seeing those upper 60s for the week with plenty of sunshine. And for Northern California, temperatures in the upper 80s and into the 90s. And we're going to be expecting to see plenty of sunshine throughout our weekend. For the Klamath Basin, temperatures ranging in the 80s. Again, we'll be seeing those nice and dry conditions and nothing too much as far as winds. For the mountains, we'll be staying more comfortable in the 70s for most of our week, and again with those dry conditions. And for here in the Rogue Valley, not too much of a change. We're seeing those temperatures in the upper 80s and into the 90s for most of our week, and we're expecting to see plenty of sunshine and those dry conditions for our weekend as well.